This is not an asset. What is the intrinsic value of this?
What is it? It's all BS.
Hey guys. What's up, guys? Blue, are you following me? Is he following me? So we're buying a duplex, and I gotta go bring the escrow check, the cashier's check for the deposit. I'm gonna talk about how we came to that decision and what we decided to do later, because right now I gotta eat. Jess!
Don't start that.
This milk is really expired. I'm still gonna drink it. Oh, there's not enough milk. No, my cereal's gonna be dry. All right, let's get out of here. It's foggy out here. What is that? At my mom's house, just checking on it. Who's gonna took the key? Oh, look at that, he's here. What a coincidence, he takes the key and then shows up. I was like, damn, he took the thing. What permits are they waiting for?
Alright, so we gotta do a site plan for the electrical, right?
Uh-huh.
So we turned that in the other week. Still not done. HVAC, still not done.
Why? What are they waiting for?
Inspectors or whatever to sign off. That's it. Just for people to sign off.
You gotta love the inspectors, man.
Oh yeah, well the site plan pretty much is a drawing of the house, for the layout.
You just have to look at it.
And just write down where all the lights are going and all that stuff. So for the most part, I haven't really done shit in here since Thursday. So what we did was took the cabinets, we never had mold on them, sprayed it, killed it off, and then this is it's an EPA approved anti-mold paint.
Oh, okay.
So what it does is pretty much seals up and kills any mold left on the cabinet. So that's what I just did.
Oh, that's cool. So it's anti-moldy in here.
Well, you smell like ozone.
Is that the stuff? So you got it as addict and everything.
Spray. Yeah, you got to.
Dang.
I'm probably gonna spray some more too.
You already got $1,000 worth of sealer.
That is a lot.
Yeah, there's still more to do.
It's looking good.
Yeah, it's alright.
So we're waiting on permits.
Your windows were supposed to come in 2 weeks ago. They're still not in yet.
That's fun.
Yeah, so right now, waiting on permits. So everything on standby. Installations on standby. Got more spraying to do.
So once the permits come in, like electrical, HVAC's coming in.
HVAC. And then we can start rocking and rolling and stuff. So
we really don't know what's good and bad with the electrical.
Right, so that's why you're kind of at a standstill. So he has to magnet test all the circuits.
Yeah, and he can't
so let's say there's a circuit. At least these are right here. So these would be easy to get to. Your fire was mainly here.
Yeah, hopefully it's somewhere that's demoed if it's
right. Yeah. Other than that, we'll have to open everything up.
Yeah. So what do you do? Just paint over this now?
It's all sealer.
So you can paint over the sealer?
Pretty much wipe down with chemical sponges.
Oh.
So the thing is, you have to get the soot and all the stain and stuff off the wall.
The stuff that wipes.
Yeah.
Like all that residual stuff.
Yeah.
Right?
So number one, you got to find out what type of soot it is, whether it's dry or whether it's grease and oil in it. And that's going to tell you how you got to clean it. So like this one was mostly all dry, except for maybe a little. It's like a little couple spots, might have a little something. Same thing with here. But it was up in here, all was where you had stuff that was more oily, and of course in this room as well. So I want to get everything turned on, get the house heated up.
Right. I woke up in the middle of the night like, do they have electric? They're gonna need that.
But it is what it is.
You know what? I gotta find out if PSE&G dug my line
Oh,
for this other house we got. They called me. They went to the wrong house.
gas line?
Yeah, they went to the wrong house. I'm like, that's not our house. Our house is tan, not brick.
Well, what I did was I actually started. I wiped a lot of it after I sprayed it. After you sprayed
Plus,
it.
you bleach sprayed it before that too.
Well, it's not really bleach. It's but it has bleach in it. They're not gonna admit it to you.
Yeah, right.
Smell it. That's what it smells like.
Yeah, it smells like straight up bleach. That's just a weird way they designed the house.
Well,
Is this post?
where I'm thinking they were gonna go up from the attic and just drop everything down.
Yeah, it's going from down.
Besides the drain, but whatever. You know, they figure they can save if they can save $4 or $5 every unit.
Yeah, I mean it is a lot of money.
Gonna rip all the floor and shit off. It's like those. It's like, yo, it sucks.
Hello, this is Ryan. Good, how are you? Sure, no problem. Do you know when they're coming back from vacation? Okay, so if something comes up, I'll let you know if I get another offer, just in case, you know, you're in communication with them. Otherwise, you know, hopefully when they come back, they're still interested. All right, thanks for following up with me. Appreciate it. Yep, bye. And then we're buying a duplex in Gloucester City.
Gloucester.
Mm-hmm.
Gloucester's good for that.
For rental, yeah. I haven't even been to the property. My partner and Jess was there, yeah. I haven't even seen it. Hey!
Back at it, huh?
Yeah.
Round two.
Always and forever.
Man, I don't have $5 for a ham sandwich.
We lunch it?
No. Where you want to go? All right, we're getting lunch. Not a Bitcoin fan yet. This is not an asset that... What is the intrinsic value of
What
this?
is? It's all BS.
Oh, well, $1 BS.
Well, it is now. Compared to what it used to be.
It's not based on gold or anything. They use it in Japan a little bit.
How you doing?
Good, how are you?
Good.
All right, so lunch is over. Gonna write some offers for a client. I don't know, check a bunch of emails. Check on a bunch of stuff. Busy today.